Integrating DigitalOcean managed databases is a straightforward process that can greatly simplify your database management tasks. To start, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a new project. Once you have created your project, navigate to the DigitalOcean dashboard and click on the Manage Databases tab. From here, you can choose the type of database you want to create, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Redis. DigitalOcean supports a variety of database engines, so you can select the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your database engine, you will need to choose a plan and configure your database settings. One of the key benefits of using DigitalOcean managed databases is that it automates many of the tasks associated with database management, such as patching, backups, and scaling. This means you can focus on developing your application, rather than worrying about the underlying database infrastructure. To connect to your managed database, you will need to obtain the connection details, which can be found in the DigitalOcean dashboard. You can then use these details to connect to your database from your application. DigitalOcean provides a range of tools and libraries to help you integrate your managed database with your application, including support for popular frameworks and languages. Best practices for integrating DigitalOcean managed databases include using a secure connection to your database, monitoring your database performance, and optimizing your database queries. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your database is running smoothly and efficiently. In terms of security, DigitalOcean managed databases provide a range of features to help protect your data, including encryption at rest and in transit, as well as network isolation. You can also use DigitalOcean's built-in firewall rules to control access to your database. Overall, integrating DigitalOcean managed databases is a simple and effective way to streamline your database management tasks and improve the performance and security of your application. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily get started with DigitalOcean managed databases and start enjoying the benefits of automated database management.